negative contraction, they are very easy. We just have to add the word not. For this, we need three elements: a subject, the verb to be, and the word not. For example, subject. What can we use as a subject? He, she, it, we, you, they, I. Okay? So, for me, my subject is going to be they. After this, I need the verb to be. They is, they are, or they am. Okay, so it's they are. When I have already the subject and the verb to be, I need to add the word not. It's going to be always not. It doesn't change. So they are not. Okay? Now, to form the negative contraction, I need to mix. But I'm going to mix are and not. In this case, it's going to be they aren't. I mix are with not, and the answer is aren't. They aren't. Okay, so we're gonna make another example. This time, I'm going to choose a different subject. He, she, it, you, they, it. So this time, I'm going to use she. She is, she are, or she am. She is the answer. She is not. Now remember, I need to mix them. When I mix them, it is, isn't. So is she isn't. Okay, so let's continue with one more example. This time, my subject is going to be I. Now, I am, I is, or I are. What is the answer? We mix I with am. Then we add the word not. And we mix them. I continue with one more example, but I want you to pay attention and observe and listen, because this is a special case. Okay? So this time my subject is going to be I. The verb to be, I am, I is, or I are. What is the answer? Yes, the answer should be I am. Then after this, we're going to add not. But now, to form the negative contraction using I, I'm going to mix two words, I and am. Only those two words. So the contraction is going to be I am, and I'm going to write the word not. In this case, I and am get together to form I'm, and we add the word not. So the negative contraction for I am it will be I'm not. Now, let's make an example of an exercise. Pay attention. Is it correct? You will say yes or not. In the number 1, we plus are is the same as we're. For example, if I have we and I mix with are, the answer is we're. We plus are is we are. What do you think? Yes, if we mix we with are, the answer is we're. So, this is correct or not? Yes, it's correct. Now let's go to number 2. We have 2 elements again. She and are. She corresponds to are. It's like she are, or is she is. What do we need to form she is? She plus is she's. So this is correct or not? Yes, it's not correct because she needs is, not are. This is not correct. Okay, so for the next exercise, you will have a sentence. For example, she is not sad. In this case, you need to mix to make the contraction. So if you have she is not sad, you will write she isn't sad. You see, you have the negative contraction, so you mix is and not. This is the same. She isn't sad. You can have different contractions to form. For example, if you have they are not friends. They are not friends. This is going to be the same. They. You mix are and not, and you will form aren't. And you add friends. So you just have to observe and pay attention to mix correctly the contractions. So now we finished. Thank you so much for paying attention. If you have any doubt or question, remember that you can send an email or comment in the platform. So I hope you like it, I hope you understand, and I hope you get all the information about contractions. Bye!